Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to use Shopify customer groups to improve your marketing and targeting efforts. To get started, log into your Shopify admin panel and head to the Customers section. Here, you'll see a list of all your customers. You can segment them by different criteria such as location, order history, or the total value of their purchases. Shopify makes it easy to filter and create customer groups based on these characteristics. Once you've filtered your customers into a specific group, you can save the group for future use. It's important to give these groups a clear name that reflects the criteria you've used, such as high-spending customers or frequent shoppers. This will help you easily identify these groups when you need them for targeted marketing or special offers. Shopify also allows you to apply tags to customers. Tags are keywords that you can manually assign to customers based on their behavior or other criteria, such as VIP or Black Friday shopper. Tags can be combined with your customer groups for even more advanced targeting and segmentation. Once your customer groups are set up, you can use them for personalized marketing campaigns. For instance, you can send special promotions or exclusive discounts to your VIP group, or re-engage inactive customers with a targeted email. You can do this through Shopify's built-in email marketing tools, or integrate with third-party apps like Klaviyo for more advanced features. Additionally, Shopify's customer groups can be used to analyze customer behavior over time. By monitoring which groups are the most active or have the highest lifetime value, you can adjust your marketing strategies accordingly. This data can also be used to inform your product offerings and inventory management. Overall, using Shopify customer groups helps you target specific customers with tailored messages and offers, ultimately leading to better customer retention and increased sales. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. Information may change over time, so always double-check details before making business decisions. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.